The patient's EMR can be viewed by selecting Patient EMR from the Action column next to the patient's name. In the patient's EMR, you can see patient's demographic data on the top bar here with the insurance information and the body statistics from the initial visit. Patient status can be updated through here. Please select OK to save. Patient's lab status can be updated here. Patient's before and after picture can be uploaded. In the middle range here is the blue bar that contains the tab to navigate through the patient's entire chart. The highlighted tab indicates the screen being displayed currently on your desktop. Any tab with an arrow will contain submenu items. Hovering over the tab will display additional items. The forms contain multiple folders, and hovering over those folders will also open up the folder to display forms within each folders. The resource tab indicates all the patient's folders in a chart. The notes hold all the patient's office visit notes. Another way to view the entire form is to simply click on the blue tab, and this will display all the forms with a link to the correct form. The same applies to resources. This contains all the patient folders. You can upload a document into each folder as necessary. You can delete documents from folders. You can post the document to the patient's dashboard, and you can refile it or reindex the document into a different folder as necessary. The Notes tab will contain all the office visit note currently being generated. From here, you can indicate what you want to post to the patient's dashboard or the primary care physician. These are templates available to create notes. An addendum can be made to the patient's chart by selecting here. In the gray bar, it indicates the date of the clinical encounter. This can be altered to backload a document as necessary. In addition, you can also view any comments that was made on the patient's chart. There are no comments in this patient. You can also view the summary of the patient's history and also send a message from here. On the bottom of the screen is the status bar for the clinical visit. This is another alternative to navigating through the patient's chart. Any items highlighted in green is considered completed and reviewed. Any items in red needs to be reviewed and completed. You can also access each of these screens by clicking on the hyperlink associated with it. The white item is currently under development at this time.